Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 9th Girls High School Kalamabad. Dear students, we studied the different methods for the separation of different components of a mixture. One of the method among them is separating funnel method. As you know that the separating funnel method is used to separate the components of a mixture which are two or three liquids. It means if a mixture is of two liquids, we can separate them with the help of separating funnel method. But if a mixture, the two components of the mixture both are liquids, one among them should be immiscible. That mixture is separated by this method. For example, if we have a heterogeneous mixture of water and kerosene, if we have a water and if we have a kerosene, this mixture, water and kerosene mixture, okay? So as we know, if this mixture is left for some time, the kerosene is lighter than water. Kerosene is lighter than water. The kerosene floats over the water. The kerosene floats over the water. On the other hand, if we have a mixture of water and milk, if we keep it undisturbed for some time, because water and mixture is homogeneous mixture, the milk is not lighter, both are equally dissolved. So such type of mixtures are separated by the separating funnel method. Separating funnel is nothing. Separating funnel is a funnel like this. It is made up of glass. It has an open hole in this, and at the bottom it has a closed cork, stop cork. We can see here this is a separating funnel. From here the mixture of two liquids is inserted. For example, we insert or we pour water and kerosene in it. As we know that the water is denser than kerosene, density of water is more than kerosene. When we close the lid of this separating funnel, this is made up of glass. This funnel is totally made up of glass. When we close its funnel, keeping it undisturbed for some time, the kerosene floats over the water. When we open the lid, the water is drawn out of this. As soon as all the water is drawn out of this, we keep the lid closed. In this way, this kerosene remains in the separating funnel and the water is collected in the beaker. In this way, we have separated water and kerosene mixture by this separating funnel method. Similarly, if we have a mixture of mercury, water and benzene, here what happens, if this mixture is left for some time, and this stopcock is closed. After keeping this mixture of these three liquids undisturbed for some time, we will see that the mercury is heavier than water. It remains at the bottom of the funnel. Over the mercury remains the water, and over the water remains the benzene. It means the density of benzene is less than water. The density of water is less than mercury. So we can see the mercury is more dense than water, and density of water is more dense than benzene. So when we open the lid, mercury is collected in the beaker. As soon as all the mercury is collected in the beaker, we have to close the lid. So keeping it in one of the beaker, remove this beaker, and again open the stop cork to get the second component, that is water, in another beaker. And when all the water is drawn out of it, close the lid again. So in this way, the benzene is collected in the separating funnel method. Water is collected in one beaker and mercury is collected in another beaker. So in this way, we have separated a mixture of 3 liquids by this separating funnel method. This is a very simple method, simple technique that we use in our laboratory to separate a mixture of 2 liquids.